Hi, I'm Jim Gordon and you're watching Market 1 Minute. Joining us is Niko Cacos, President, CEO and Director of Argentina Lithium and Energy Corp. Welcome.
Pleasure to be here.
Good to have you, sir. Okay, tell us about the drill program the company recently conducted on its Rincon West project.
Yes, this is our flagship project right now, and the reason it's our flagship project is because it's situated on the same salt brine where Rio Tinto recently purchased a very large position with a very large resource for over $800 million US dollars. So this makes this project very exciting for us. As our project is completely adjacent with theirs, we've recently announced a 5-hole drill program, and just about a month ago announced the results of one of those holes, and the results that we're getting are very much in line with the results that Rio Tinto has been publishing. So very exciting. If we continue to get these kinds of results on this project, I think we're going to really be off to the races here.
Leads me into my next question. Based on the positive results, what are the next steps for Argentina Lithium?
Well, our next steps are to continue drilling here, the program at Rincon West, and we've got 3 additional projects in 3 different salars, or salt lakes as we're known here. So, and we've outlined a drill program for each one of these projects, and geophysics is to precede each one. So we're going to address these in a methodical manner, and then with Rincon West, where we're drilling right now, if we do get the results that we expect that we can get, we're going to move it towards a resource calculation and then push towards completing a preliminary economic assessment, or a PEA.
And Niko, tell our viewers about the lithium energy sector in Argentina.
Well, first of all, lithium is becoming harder and harder to come by. Just the global demand has been driving lithium prices and finding lithium very scarce. But one of the most prospective regions to find lithium comes from what's known as the lithium triangle. That encompasses the southern portion of Bolivia, the eastern portion of Chile, and a significant portion of northwestern Argentina. Now, within this lithium triangle, nearly 60% of the known lithium reserves come from there. But the Argentine portion of that triangle is very, very much underdeveloped. And that represents opportunity. That's where companies like our company can come in with our 30-year track record of experience in making discoveries in countries like Argentina. I think we're extremely well situated to capitalize and make some of these lithium discoveries.
Finally, when is Argentina Lithium expected to complete its pre-feasibility study?
Well, there's a bunch of work that needs to be completed prior to that. We're going to complete our drill program. With some good results, we would move into doing a resource calculation. That would probably take us into early next year. Following that, we would do a preliminary economic assessment, a PEA, give us a very rough estimate and understanding of the economics of our lithium deposit. And beyond that, probably within about a year, we'll be in a position to execute a pre-feasibility study.
Neil, thanks for joining us.
My pleasure.
Hi, I'm Jim Gordon. Thanks for watching this Market 1 Minute on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with other videos that we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click on this list to see other great videos from Market 1. And thank you again for watching.